Today I want to do a discussion about this Louis Vuitton Boulogne bag. This one was actually designed in 2021, so it's a fairly newer style and released in 2021. The Boulogne was actually one of the very first monogram bags in quite a while. So Louis Vuitton actually hadn't come out with a new style monogram print. They were really focusing on their leathers and just different items like that, so they hadn't really released a monogram one. So this was the release that they did. Everybody was waiting for a really nice monogram bag, and they definitely did not disappoint. I will say that influencer culture and on Instagram and TikToks, I have seen so many people going to Louis Vuitton store and they usually pick up this bag. It's just a very good, dainty but good everyday bag. It's meant to be a shoulder bag. This particular one has Vachetta leather in the corners and on the strap. They did make a version that had black leather. Here's how it looks on. It's just meant to be a shoulder bag, very cute go-to shoulder bag. If you're super short, maybe you can get away with wearing it as a crossbody bag. If you just need to be hands-free for a few minutes, you could probably put it over your neck and use it as a crossbody bag briefly. But this is just a really good, like I said, good go-to shoulder bag style. The interior, so it does zip at the top, and then the interior is brown leather interior with a zipper pocket. This is a really good size because you can fit a full-size wallet, and you could probably put a little iPad in here. Well, I know you could fit a little iPad in here as well. So it's not too big, not too small, really good size, but it also has this cute little charmingness about it as far as making it feel a little bit dainty and girly as well. Let me know what you think about the Louis Vuitton Boulogne. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below what you thought of this, and do you own one of these? I know a lot of people do, so let me know if you have this bag and what you think of it. You can find it on our website, milkhoneycollection.com.